I just know in my heart, what the fuck? I just know in my heart that there's definitely got to be some hog ass catfish down here. I just know it. I have to get my fishing license and just come out here, man. Damn. This is one of them places that you know you just come vibe. Like her dad. Fishing here, buddy. All them barges. Somebody's fishing over there. More barges. I watched, or is it that one, go by forever ago. What is that? Anyway, love it. Need my fishing license. Come out here. Cause I guarantee you there's some big catfish here. That's a big ass tree. I can't even explain how big that is. But that's a big ass rope, brother. I can't even. Yeah. Oh. Oh, somebody's chair. That's right, bitch. Y'all better move. Don't know who the fuck I am. I'm Soup Bean fuck Pussyface Johnson. Ooh, get his ass. That's right, bitch. Better start stretching. I'll fuck you up. Free car wash.